This weekend, we found a whole bunch of owls. Swedish art glass owl, resin paper napkin holder with matching spoon rest. This one's a little weird. They decorate it like a chicken, but okay. This guy is the cutest. Look at him. He's just verklempt. And you've got little guy there. And we've got this really kind of creepy owl. And it's made in Japan. Dang there. And we've got handmade. We've got crazy ones from '73. And right here we've got some drip glaze. Oh, let's not miss this guy. He's drip glaze too. He's awesome. Anyway, this was the weekend of the owl.